Morning, darlings. Recording is on, and today is the 20th. Oh my God. Today is the 20th September 2020, and we are at our Sunday Fun Aging Call. How does it get any better than this, and what else is possible? So, where do we start today? All the DJCCs and all the PES juniors, all the projections, expectations, judgments, separations, and rejections that you were functioned from, would you be willing to destroy and unkid it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, honor, short, boys, and beyond. And all the decisions, DJ, judgments, computations, and conclusions that we all function from, would we be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, online, short, boys, and beyond. So today, what is our agenda? I don't have any agenda. I didn't even know today was Sunday. And then I saw Sagri and I saw Usha. Oh my God, I said, it's Sunday today. How lost can one aged woman be? Everything that brought up in everybody else's world, would you be willing to destroy and get it all right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, online, short, boys, and beyond? So tell me, what is your agenda today? Do you have any questions? And what are they? Hello? Good morning. What secret agendas with aging, olding, wrinkles, skinning, fattening, or whatever do you have? Maintain all that. Would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it now? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, honor, short, boys, and beyond. And what creation of olding and aging of your body are you using to validate other people's realities? Everything that brings up, would you be willing to destroy and get it all right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, honor, short, boys, and beyond? And everywhere you're creating the degeneration and degradation of your body, buying into this reality, would you be willing to destroy and get it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, honor, short, boys, and beyond. All the lies that you bought from this reality to sabotage yourself, to create the body that you currently have, rather than choosing the body that you would like to have. Would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, online, short, boys, and beyond. Now, I pumped you up a little. Where are the questions? Hello, hello, hello. No questions?
Can we take a different question today?
Sorry, Anuradha.
Hello?
Yes, I didn't hear. Say it again, please.
I'm saying, can we take a different question, like, about entities? Because पितृ पक्ष चल रहा है.
क्या चल रहा है?
खत्म हो गया पितृ पक्ष खत्म हुआ ना अभी. So मेरा आवाज भी इतना ही होगा. हाँ, about entities can we talk? Like in Access we call everything as an entity. Whether अगर आप सोफा सेट पे बैठे हो, आप कंप्यूटर है आपका, everything is called entities. So my question is कि non-living things entities, how do they contribute to us?
How do they contribute to us? Tell me. What do you know? Hello, what do you know? What all entities do you know of?
I don't know एंटिटीज जिसकी मृत्यु हो जाती है तो एंटिटीज मतलब उसको एंटिटीज कहते हैं।
किसको सॉरी?
तो उनसे डर लगता है। किसी की मृत्यु हो सकती है, सबसे ज्यादा डर हमें उसी का रहता है ना कि कोई एंटिटीज के रूप में, जिसको हम भूत कहते हैं, प्रेत कहते हैं, या जो भी हमें उसका डर लगता है उसको हम एंटिटीज कहते हैं। पर
अच्छा, क्यों डरते हैं हम? क्यों डरते हो आप?
कहते हैं कि बस वो सामने ना
आ जाए तो क्या होगा?
आ जाए तो डर लगेगा।
किसने कहा?
हाँ वही तो, वो जाता नहीं है अभी तक।
नहीं, किससे सीखा वो? किससे सुना आपने?
तो बचपन से आप पिक्चर में देख रहे हैं और सुनते आ रहे स्टोरी।
आप अभी बताओ, सुना था, चलो अब अभी आंखें बंद करके बताओ कि आर दे हार्मफुल? कैन एनीबडी हार्म यू?
ऐसे तो नोबडी कैन हार्म है, ऐसे पता है अपन को, पर फिर भी
क्या?
जब भी वो पर्टिकुलर टाइम आ जाता है तब तो डर लगता ही है।
आपका आया कभी?
हाँ,
आपके साथ कभी टाइम आया ऐसा?
ऐसे नहीं जैसे कि रात को या कभी ऐसे कोई, जैसे अपन सोए हुए होते हैं और कभी ऐसा लगता है कि कुछ ऐसे आवाज आया या कुछ ऐसे, तो डर लग जाता है। कितना भी सोचे कि नहीं करेंगे।
सच में डर लग जाता है? ट्रूथ,
सच में
truth, Anuradha. Can we be honest with ourselves? Just close your eyes and say truth. क्या मुझे डर लगता है? Truth, क्या आपको डर लगता है?
हाँ, ऐसे कुछ आवाज हुआ, कुछ हुआ तो मुझे लगता है डर।
क्या आपको डर लगता है? अच्छा, ओके, 1 मिनट। आपको जब आवाज आती है तो आप पहला ख्याल क्या आता है? भूत का?
हाँ, क्या भी तो मेरे सामने आ जाएगा करके।
जब कभी आया नहीं तो कैसे आएगा? अभी कैसे आएगा?
आवाज
कितनी देर, कितनी जिंदगी आप यही गुंडागर्दी में रहेंगे? झूठ से जिएंगे, ड्रामा से जिएंगे। क्या मजा आता है? क्या मजा आता है ऐसे जीने में?
नहीं, एग्जैक्टली ये कभी तय नहीं होता कि इतनी जिंदगी निकल गई, नहीं आया तो भी अभी क्यों डर लग रहा है। सही बात है, बट फिर भी जब रात को सोते हैं या अकेले होते हैं या कोई भी नहीं होता है, अब तो ये डर रहता ही है कि जैसे कोई आवाज आए, कुछ ये लगता ही है कि अरे कोई आ गया तो सामने, कोई आ गया तो सामने।
अच्छा, मैं आगे से ये याद रख लेना है कि 71 ईयर्स ओल्ड बुढ़िया अकेली रहती है जंगल में, तो मैं भी रह सकती हूँ। और अभी तक नहीं आया तो कब, अब क्यों आएगा? So all the lies that you have bought about entities, would you be willing to destroy and uncarry it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, bad, all night, short, boys and beyond. और जो भूत हैं वो कौन होते हैं? भूत कौन बनता है? भूत कहां से आते हैं?
जिसने बॉडी ना लिया हो।
ओके, तो ना लिया हो या अब बॉडी नहीं है उसके पास?
हाँ, क्या?
जिसने बॉडी ना लिया हो और जिसके पास अब बॉडी नहीं है, पहले थी, अब मर गया, राइट? इज दैट राइट अनुराधा? कि जा तो स्पिरिट वर्ल्ड, ओके, यही मतलब है ना? अच्छा, तो स्पिरिट वर्ल्ड में जो भी लोग निकलते हैं यहाँ से जाते हैं स्पिरिट वर्ल्ड में,
हाँ, हाँ,
वो अगर वो आपको कितने लोग जिंदा बॉडी के साथ मिलते हैं जो भूत टाइप होते हैं? मेरा मतलब है कि जो हमें बताया गया है कि भूत ऐसा होता है, वैसे होते हैं। कितने लोग होते हैं जो हाय समोना, हाय निपी, वेलकम, यस, हाँ जी अनुराधा, बताइए कि कितने लोग अभी जिंदगी में आपके 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 लाइफ में आते हैं जो भूत टाइप, मतलब all the definitions that we give a भूत और a spirit वैसे होते हैं आपकी डेफिनेशन के हिसाब से। बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं कि कोई नहीं होते, कि कुछ होते हैं। हेलो, कहाँ गए अनुराग? Anybody else wanting to answer this question? How many people do you see in the world who are like the spirits that we have told, or who are like the bhoot that we have heard the stories about? In your definition of a bhoot, how many people do you see in your life who are definition of a bhoot in your reality?
मैंने इफ आई हैव मेरे एक सिस्टर इन लॉ की डेथ हुई है, तो व्हेन शी मुझे कभी भी दिखी है ना सपने में, तो शी ऑलवेज वो जो लास्ट में उसने कपड़े पहने थे उसी की टाइप, वही टाइप में मुझे कभी भी दिखती है।
नहीं, वो तो ठीक है, दिखना और बात है। आई एम टेलिंग दैट द डेफिनेशन ऑफ डर जो आपको होता है, वो डर की क्या डेफिनेशन है आपकी? क्या क्यों होता है? उनको देख के आपको कोई भी कपड़े में आते हैं तो डर लग जाता है? किस बात के लिए डर लग जाता है? जो मरा है वो जैसा था वैसा ही रहता है कि बदल जाता है? अब मैं मर जाऊंगी,
वैसे ही दिखता है।
जो मैं मर जाऊंगी तो जो भी मेरी डेफिनेशन आपके हिसाब से है वो बदल जाएगी? वो एकदम से वो भूत की बन जाएगी?
नहीं,
फिर ये
वो डेफिनेशन नहीं बदलता, पर मरे हुए को भूत कहते हैं।
तो डरने क्यों है? मेरे से डरोगे मैं मर जाऊंगी तो? मेरे पास तो अब बॉडी भी नहीं होगी, मैं तो आपको मार भी नहीं सकूंगी। मैं मर जाऊंगी तो मैं कंवल ही रहूंगी कि कुछ और बन जाऊंगी?
नहीं, कंवल ही रहोगे।
ओके, सो अगर मैं कंवल ही रहूंगी तो फिर मैं, आपने उसको जो डेफिनेशन दे दी है कि ये भूत है,
हाँ।
तो क्या डेफिनेशन है? Okay, let's talk about what entities are. There are different types of entities: implanted and explanted. An implant entity can be a book, can be a memory, can be a song that we memorized. It creates a kind of vibration within us that becomes something that impacts us, holds us, has some sway in our life. Those are also entities. So those entities we invite every time the same emotion, the same vibration. When you come in the same emotion, the same vibration comes. So you invite them into your life. So you might be, those things have so much of impact on it that your life starts to run by it. All the points of view you have about that book, that you read the book, or the song, or all the scenes that song brings in your life, those are all entities that we bring into our lives. Okay, which automatically will come into your on your tongue whenever you Think of it. So then there are these things, everything here is an entity. The furniture is an entity. The house is an entity. Business is an entity. You didn't know business was an entity. Once you start something, it has a life of its own and it starts to create on its own. It starts to grow on its own. But when we control it, we make it, we give it a limitation. It has life of its own. It would want to grow. Would we want it to grow? That is the question. So if we let
Kamal, I didn't get, you said furniture is an entity and all. I didn't get that.
everything is an entity.
Everything.
What does everything comes in it, right? Furniture ho gaya, kuch bhi ho gaya.
Why we say everything is an entity?
Why we say they are? Everything is consciousness. Every molecule on planet Earth is consciousness, has consciousness. And every molecule joined together makes things. You are just molecules. You are nothing.
What
You are
we
just-
know is that entity has no body, but this furniture has a body. Now we'll say it's a chair, so it's a chair.
So you are not an entity. You have a body, but you don't. You are not an entity.
No, I will be entity after I die.
Who told you will be Pooth after you die? But you are an entity. Entity has an identity.
Entity has an identity. Okay.
You are
Okay.
an entity. It's very simple. And it can be implanted and it can be explanted. Implanted ones are these we implant in ourselves by songs and books and situations and things like that. And you can clear them. You can clear an implant or an explant entity or entities by just saying right, wrong, good, bad, POC, PUD, online, short, boys and beyond. So we were talking about business is an entity and business has a life of its own. If we let it grow, it will, if we involve it, nobody ever told us, if we involve it and if we ask questions about what it desires, what is this, what can we do about this, who would be contributive to this business, who and what can I talk to today, where would this business like to go? There are a million questions that you can ask if you are functioning along with your business. But if you think you are the boss and you own the business, then you control it, then it can only grow according to what you think your points of views are. But if you feel the energy and you ask it, what is this? What can we do about this? Can we change it? How can we change it? What is required for me to change today? What needs my attention today? Who can I invite into and add into my business to grow? Then the business will, because it has consciousness of its own, it will start talking to you, speaking to you if you're willing to listen. Then there is a spirit world where people are without bodies. And there is a parallel universe along with our universe, which is a spirit world. And all the people, all the beings, entities without bodies, some of them, most of them don't even know they haven't died. They're just there. Entities are stuck in time. So if you ask them, would you want to? There are more entities here than me in my room here. I'm not alone. You are never alone. Anybody who's getting scared of it, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes, yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, PUD, online, short, boys and beyond. So there are some people who are portals.
बैठने को डर लगेगा.
क्यों डर लगेगा? क्यों डर? मेरे से मैं मर जाऊंगी तो मेरे से मैं आ जाऊं अगर आपके पास, तो आपको डर लगेगा? मैं क्या बन जाऊंगी? मैं वही रहूंगी, मैं जैसे हूं. Most 99.9 recurring beings are harmless, and more with bodies. People more with bodies are harmful than without bodies. जो विदाउट बॉडी उनके पास तो कुछ है ही नहीं आपको कुछ कहने का, वो तो कुछ कह ही नहीं सकते, वो तो दे आर स्पिरिट्स नाउ, दे कांट हिट यू, दे कांट डू एनीथिंग. ये जो किताबों में, ये जो पिक्चरों में आप देखते हो, ये सब झूठ होता है. आपको नहीं पता कि सच्ची मुच्ची कोई आता है वहां पे. And there are some people who invite. We mostly, not some people. Everybody who has an entity in them invites the entity. Actually, this is a whole big class. This is Anuradha. You've opened up Pandara. This is a whole big class, not in 1 hour that I can. There are people waiting in the. I'm sorry, who's waiting? Sorry, guys, got so involved that didn't see it, just saw. So if anybody has a constant flow of entities, everybody you see is weird. ऐसी नहीं थी अभी, ऐसी कैसे हो गई, अभी कैसे बात कर रही है, ऐसे तो नहीं करती थी. Then that means that person has entities flowing in and out of that person. That person may also be called portal. Portal are entity catchers. Entities are just there. Like कांटे हैं तो आप बड़े सारे चीजों को पकड़ के अपने साथ खींच लोगे, वैसे. So everywhere you are unwilling to perceive, know, be and receive the entity world, the spirit world, which can contribute to you way beyond your imagination. Would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, cock, pad, on a short, boys and what if you asked? What if you asked? Okay, any entity around here, what contribution can you be to me? Whenever you get the fear, what if you asked a question there? Can you bring me money? Come on, who is this? Can you bring me money? What contribution can you be to me? And tell me next day what contribution it was. Entities are just beings who don't have body and they don't know. They're stuck in time. So if you are willing to use them to your advantage, you can. Fear is just a distractor implant. Fear just distracts you from what it is. आपको देखने नहीं देता वो की चीज क्या है. आपको वो उस चीज से दूर ले जाता है, कहीं आप समझ ना जाओ. So there's a process. You can clear them. All those who have done foundation can use those clearings to bhagao the entities. Or you can ask whichever ones want to go get released, I'll release them. Whichever one want to contribute to me, go ahead, but not in my periphery. You can be outside and come in this time. And some people talk to them. Anuradha, have you got little cleared? Then please, I suggest go and do an entity class. You don't have to have their, you ask them a question, but you don't have to have their permission for asking them to go. You are more powerful than they are. Sorry, Simona.
Yes, can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, yes.
हाँ जी कंवल जी, मुझे 2 क्वेश्चन थे. एक क्वेश्चन तो ये है कि मुझे ऐसा लगता है मेरी एनर्जी सुबह जैसी थी वैसी शाम को नहीं है, डिफरेंट हो जाती है. समटाइम मुझे वो एनर्जी पसंद नहीं होती, वो इतनी जल्दी चेंज हो जाती.
तो चेंज कर लो. एनर्जी चेंज अपने आप नहीं होती बेटा. एनर्जी तो एनर्जी होती है, वो अकॉर्डिंग टू योर मूड चेंज हो जाती है. आपका शाम को मूड कैसा होता है? क्या चल रहा होता है आपके दिमाग में?
पर इतना फास्ट.
Hey, now you can be happy, and now a thought comes, and now you can be sad. And now you realize that you are sad, and now you can change it. It's that fast. You are that powerful. Everything doesn't allow
ओके
you.
तो जो अच्छा
Everything doesn't allow you to believe that, to know that, to perceive, know, be, and receive that. Would you be willing to discern and get it? Right, wrong, good, bad, awkward, or not, short, boys and beyond. हाँ जी. अब आप मुझे ये बताओ कि सुबह आपकी एनर्जी कैसे, जब आप अच्छा फील कर रहे हो तो तब एनर्जी क्या, तब आप क्या चल रहा होता है आपके दिमाग में, और जब आप बुरा फील कर रहे हो तो यहाँ क्या चल रहा होता है? It vibrates according to that.
ओके तो अगर हमारा एनर्जी जब अच्छी होती है तो वो कंटिन्यूअसली नहीं रहती है, और कुछ नेगेटिव होता है तो वो कंटिन्यूअसली रहता है, ऐसा क्यों?
नहीं, ये तो इस अच्छा, थैंक यू वेरी मच. जब आप खुश होते हो तो क्या आप एक्नॉलेज करते हो? क्या आप एक्नॉलेज करते हो उस खुशी को? क्या आप कहते हो, oh my God, can I have more of that? Oh my God, I'm so happy. Oh, this is happening. I'm so grateful. God, you're so kind. Oh my God. Are you that energy? Or you are the energy, oh my God, ये तो अभी है, अभी चला जाएगा.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली.
हाँ अरे ओके
क्या एनर्जी होती है उस टाइम?
हाँ शायद होता है. अभी आपने बोला तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि शायद हम ऐसा सोचते होंगे, शायद
ऐसा ही सोचते हैं.
हमने इसी रियलिटी में ऐसे ही सोचते हैं. अच्छी बात हुई है तो किसी को बताओ मत, नजर लग जाएगी. अच्छी बात होती है तो उसको होल्ड ऑन कर लो. अच्छी बात होती है तो एक्साइटमेंट मत शो करो, ये चला जाएगा. तो जिस चीज को आपने पहले ही भगा दिया सोच के, उसने कितनी देर रहना है आपके पास? और जब कोई गलत चीज हो रही होती है तो आपका दिमाग वो उसको इतनी अटेंशन दे रहा होता है, उसको इतना सिग्निफिकेंट बना रहा होता है, उसको इतनी इंपॉर्टेंस दे रहा होता है कि वो कहता है मैं कैसे जाऊं. एक बच्चे के साथ थोड़ा प्यार करके देखो, जाएगा ही नहीं. एक पौधे को नर्चर करना शुरू कर दो, उसका ध्यान रखना शुरू कर दो, उसके बारे में सोचना शुरू कर दो, तो वो बढ़ेगा. तो प्रॉब्लम के बारे में सोचोगे तो वो क्या से कम होगा, वो भी तो बढ़ेगा.
Exactly. Thank you so much for this awareness.
Okay.
Awesome. Yeah.
अच्छा एक क्वेश्चन और है जो मैं किसी से नहीं करती हूँ, लेकिन आपने ये टॉपिक निकाला है तो मैं आपसे कर सकती हूँ.
करो करो, गो हेड, मेरे से कुछ भी कर सकते हो, मेरे कोई लिमिट नहीं है. I have no limit. I can talk about any subject.
Okay, thank you for saying this. मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है कि नॉट ओनली इन एक्सेस के पहले भी मुझसे कई लोग कहते थे कि आपके अंदर एंटिटी है आपका, और जबकि मैं बहुत नॉर्मल सी लड़की हूँ, मैं कोई अब नॉर्मल हरकत नहीं करती हूँ. और मैंने कहा ये कहाँ से आती है? तो कहते पास्ट लाइफ से भी आती है. मैंने कहा पास्ट लाइफ तो मैंने ही नहीं देखी. फिर वो कहती हैं कि नहीं है. मैंने कहा किधर है, दिखाओ. तो वो दिखाते भी नहीं है, बस डराते रहते हैं.
Can I stop you?
Okay.
एक छोटा पता है, एक्सेस लाइफ इज वेरी सिंपल, वी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन अपने आप से पूछो, मेरे अंदर एंटिटी है? मैं पूछती हूँ, समोना, डू यू हैव एन एंटिटी? राइट और रॉन्ग? डू यू हैव एन एंटिटी? यस और नो? व्हाट कम्स अप फर्स्ट? इधर नहीं जाओ. समोना, truth, do you have an entity? Yes or no?
No.
What came?
No.
What came up?
No. Can you hear me?
Okay,
no.
Okay. Let's ask let's ask everybody here. Okay, guys, does Simona have an entity?
No.
Cool. I was getting no too. So you just ask yourself and you get a no. Fuck people around. Mind your own business. Out. Why would you buy into what people tell you? Who is there? Has to be muted, guys? There's a lot of noise. Indra, would you please mute yourself? When you want to ask a question, please unmute yourself. Thank you. Yes, Simona. It is that
So-
easy.
ओके तो जब हम लोग बोलते हैं कि वी आर द मोस्ट डोमिनेंट एंटिटी, तो
You
फिर
are
वो
the
कैसे
most dominant entity means you are the power. Nobody can change you. Nobody can shift you. Nobody can do any harm to you. Nobody can take you away from you. You are the only one who can damage you, harm you, take you away from you with your points of views and your belief system. You are the dominant energy.
ओके अगर मैं डोमिनेंट हूँ तो वो कोई दूसरी एंटिटी मेरे ऊपर कैसे हावी होती है? माने
जब आप बोलते हो ये मेरे को कोई बता देता तो एक एंटिटी आपके अंदर। आप मुझे बताओ कि आप अगर कहीं बैठे हुए हो 10-12 लोगों के साथ और आप छींक देते हो जोर से और कर देते हो तो सब क्या कहते हैं?
हाँ गलत हो गया
गलत बोलेंगे कि बोलेंगे ओहो तुम्हारा गला खराब हो रहा है, गरारे कर लो। कोई बोलेगा ओहो हनी में अदरक डाल के पी लो, ओहो गर्म पानी से में हल्दी डाल के पी लो। ओहो 20 लोग होंगे तो 20 बातें बताएंगे। दिस इज आवर इनेट एबिलिटी टू केयर फॉर पीपल। तो हम मर जाते हैं तो हमारी वही एबिलिटी या कैपेसिटीज रहती है। तो जो एंटिटीज यहाँ पे घूम रही हैं, अगर आप बोलते हो हाय मुझे कोई बताने वाला होता, तो एक एंटिटी आपके अंदर। ओहो ये मेरा कोई काम और कर देता, तो एक एंटिटी और अंदर। जो भी साथ में ये सुनता है वो कहता है मैं हेल्प कर देता हूँ, मैं कर देता हूँ हेल्प। दैट इज हाउ यू इनवाइट पीपल इनटू योर लाइफ। What question will change this? Or what choice will change this? Question won't change. You making choices that you are all powerful, you are the dominant energy, and what would you like your life to look like? When you ask this question every morning, when you get up and look at yourself in the mirror and say, my God, Simona, what life can we have today? Show me, universe. And then have the guts and the courage to choose that, what you're asking.
Okay.
It is that easy. Life is very simple. Whoever told you that it's difficult, fuck them up. They're telling you a lie.
Show them this.
Show them the middle finger.
Yeah.
नहीं, can I ask one question, Kamaji?
Yes, please go ahead.
Like you said, कि you think कि भाई मुझे कौन इसमें help कर देगा, कि the innate ability of ours by to help others. So the spirits moving around us also move with this thing, and as we think about it, they just enter. So जैसे
Yeah.
आपने बोला कि morning you get up and say कि Sumana, what we can have. So like that, what questions suppose अगर अपन को जैसे अभी एक
Exactly
awareness अपनी
what would I like? I gave you the question. What would I like my life
no
to look
question
like?
no you did not give.
What
तो हम लोग जैसे
what would I like my life to look like is a question, darling.
okay.
Universe, what would I like my life to look like? Body, what Simona? Body, Anuradha, what would I like? What you and me would like our life to look like? Come on, universe, show us. Those are the questions.
Okay, thank you.
Kaval, I have a question.
Thank you for asking that. Yes, Bhavna.
तो ऐसा होता है कि रात में सोते वक्त ना मेरी सिस्टर को एसी चाहिए होता है बिकॉज उसको बहुत गर्मी लगती है एंड आई टेल हर टू नॉट टू चलाई नहीं क्योंकि मुझे नेक्स्ट दिन सर्दी हो जाती है या ऐसा कुछ हो जाता है. आई वांट द क्लियरेंस एंड यू नो ये एसी का भूत हटाना है, मतलब कि नहीं एडजस्ट कर पाती खुद को
ये
AC
कहाँ
में।
से सुना, ये कहाँ से सुना आपने कि मेरे को किसी और कोई सुना आपने ग्रोइंग अप की एसी चलता हो तो मुझे अगले दिन जुकाम हो जाता है, जब बुखार हो जाता है, ठंड लग जाती है?
शायद कहीं सुना है।
तो उसको भेज दो ना वापस। वन
ओके
वन योर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू क्रिएट्स योर रियलिटी। यू हैव अ पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू कि आपको ठंड लगेगी तो तथास्तु लगेगी, वो नहीं भी लगना चाहेगी तो लगेगी, उसको लगना पड़ेगा क्योंकि उसका ऑल पावरफुल आइडेंटिटी बोल रहा है कि मेरे को अब ठंड लगने वाली है। तथास्तु, आया, मैं अभी आया, दौड़ा आया, मेरी बॉस को मेरी जरूरत है। और दूसरी बात, मैं आई गॉट मैरिड एंड वेंट टू बॉम्बे, एंड बॉम्बे में वेदर इज लाइक दैट, यू नो, दैट यू समटाइम्स ऑल द टाइम यू फील हॉट एंड कोल्ड एट द सेम टाइम। वो सारा साल लोग बॉम्बे में गर्म पानी से नहाते हैं, मोस्ट ऑफ देम, यू नो। अच्छा, तो मेरी एक नेबर थी वहां पे, वो कहती है ये जरा अभी मौसम सितंबर का था, तो अब मौसम लड़ाई का आ गया। वो कैसे? कहती, वो कहते हैं बंद कर एसी। मैं कहती हूँ मुझे ऑन करना है, जिस दिन मुझे बंद करना होता है उसको ऑन करना होता है, तो ये हमारी लड़ाई शुरू हो जाती है। उस टाइम भी आई वॉजंट इन एक्सेस, and I remember telling her कि आपकी सोच ही आपको ठंड लगा रही है। अपनी बॉडी जो है वो इतनी एडजस्टिंग है, आप उसको जैसे बोलोगे वो वैसे हो जाएगी। और फिर देखो कि वो बोलेंगे ही नहीं शायद आपको कि एसी लगाना। योर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू कि मैंने एसी नहीं लगाना, मैंने एसी नहीं लगाना, इज सो मच ऑफ एनर्जी देयर दैट इट हैज टू बी दैट your judgment, DJCCs have to. If you have DJCCs, then it has to create your point of view. Just let go of your point of view, neither will you feel cold. Maybe she will also not put it on. Who knows what will change? Are you willing for change to happen? It's a continuous choice rather than a continuous eternal choice of being stuck with our point of views. You can change anything, darling. You are all powerful. You are a powerful identity in your life. Yes, guys, thank you for the question. Anybody else? We still have 20 minutes. My God. Come on. Shoot out your question.
Kaval, Gary has somewhere mentioned that whatever you do, your choice creates your reality. But somewhere he has even mentioned a little bit luck. What is that?
Little bit luck?
Yes. In some of his articles, I have read he choice to create karta, but in some or the other situations, a little bit luck, if it is there, then आपकी चीज और जल्दी change हो जाएगी. He has mentioned somewhere. Do you have any idea?
Okay, I haven't read it, but the energy that when you ask this question, I can explain that. That when I am totally in allowance, then the universe has my back. I can call it luck. I can call it sport. When the whole kainat is with me and I have no point of view, I've just asked something. आपके साथ जिंदगी में कभी हुआ है आपने कुछ चीज मांगी है, उसके बाद आपने उसका ध्यान भी नहीं किया, ऐसे ही मुंह से 4 फ्रेंड्स के साथ बैठे, ओ यार ये हो जाता तो, और क्या वो हो गया? हम उसको फिर लक कह सकते हैं, लेकिन वो without we did not have any point of view, without having any belief system, without anything, we gave a free hand to the universe, and universe always has our back. So I don't know if he's talking about that luck, but the energy when you asked the question came to me that is that I would call luck. And luck is not
when
outside of
people
it.
talk about, yes, exactly,
Yes,
when
yes.
people talk ना, जब किस्मत में होता है तो ये होता है, and feel like finiteness, infiniteness feel ही नहीं होता है. So yes, if I differentiate or take it in that way, then no, किस्मत नहीं matter होता है. It's all your choice and allowance.
हमारी मैथोलॉजी में तो बहुत सारी कहानियां हैं. किस्मत होती, वो क्या गोली बनी रानी, उसने वो आप लोग हर साल जिनकी शादियां हुई है वो हर साल वो मनाती हैं करवा चौथ, राइट? सो हमारे तो बहुत सारी हैं. And Access also says that this is what you came with, you already had a story, and now it's not working for you. You can change it. You chose, you created, you can uncreate it.
People are just stuck with all these things, किस्मत and all, कि उनको पता ही नहीं कि it's a choice. मतलब ऐसे थोड़ी होता है. चॉइस मतलब क्या, तुम ही पावरफुल हो, ऊपर वाला कुछ नहीं है क्या? हाँ, आप पावरफुल हो. कुछ लोग तो यकीन ही करना नहीं चाहते इस बात पे.
नहीं भावना, मेरे साथ भी जब ऐसे होता है ना, मैं कहती हूँ कि मैं अकेली तो कुछ कर ही नहीं सकती, उसके अलावा मैं तो उसको साथ लेके चलती हूँ. तब मैं बहुत पावरफुल हो जाती हूँ. जब मुझे पता है मेरी बैकिंग है, सारी कायनात मेरे को बैक कर रही है, तब मैं बहुत पावरफुल हो जाती हूँ. तो मैं कुछ भी चुन सकती हूँ, और मैं जो चुनती हूँ वो मेरे साथ है, वो भी उसी चुनाव में मेरे साथ हो जाता है. When I am lucky, when there is a question, I am lucky and I can create any kind of expansion with the communion of the whole universe. There is nothing with these tools, with that knowing I'm an infinite being and the universe having my back, there is nothing that I cannot achieve. And if you have an answer, you are dead meat. Then you cease to exist. Then you have given power to somebody else कि वो जो करेगा वही होगा. तुम नहीं करोगे तो कुछ और होगा. अब वो आप अपने हाथ में लेना चाहते हो कि नहीं, that's your choice.
Kanwal, can I ask?
Yes, please go ahead.
Okay, I want to. My son is he's in out of town, so he would like to have a job. So if I do energy pull for him, passing
Just
through
give
his
him a
body,
question.
imagine.
Sorry to cut you. Just give him a question.
Yeah. So how to get the job for him?
Just
Can I
give
do
him
the
a
energy
question.
pull?
Just give him a question. You cannot create anything for anybody. Empower people to do it. What he wants, what he desires, you will never know. His words will never convey that. So what he desires, just ask him to ask for that what you desire. Even if he doesn't know it, he can ask for, what do I desire? Can I have that, please? Sorry, I don't know what I desire at the moment. I'm not equipped. I wasn't taught. I never saw anybody around me who knew it. So just give him few questions.
हम दूसरे के लिए नहीं करने का है. I mean to say, we can not do for others.
कुछ नहीं कर सकते unless they are willing and they are choosing. So when they are willing and choosing, you empower them. आप लोग इधर जब सब हो, you are willing and you are choosing to be here. Can I tell you, ऐसे करो, ऐसे नहीं करो, वैसे करो, वैसे नहीं करो, वैसे करो? with giving you questions and showing you different situations that I have been and I have heard Gary do, and I have heard people changing their lives. I empower you to choose for yourself and create for yourself. Can you do that for anybody who's around you? Would you be willing to do that for all the people that are around you? To empower them to know that they know, okay, what do you want? Why don't you ask? What would it take for me to receive what I desire to have? Can I have that, please? Can I get clarity? What energy, space, and consciousness can I be to have total clarity and ease in what kind of a job I want? But when you have decided यही job चाहिए, यही इतने पैसे चाहिए, ये, nobody can help you. You have told the universe, shut up. I know. मुझे ये job चाहिए, मुझे इतने पैसे चाहिए, मुझे कल चाहिए. Universe कहता फिर तू कर लेना यार. मेरे को तो फ्री हैंड देगा. आप किचन में जाते हो, आप कहते हो मैं, तू काट के रख दे सब्जी सुब्जी, मैं ही बनाऊंगी, तू नहीं बना सकती. वो क्या लर्न करेगी कभी बनाने के लिए? एक बार गलत बनाएगी, दूसरी बार गलत बनाएगी, तीसरी बार गलत बनाएगी. आप कैसे सीखे? आप कैसे सीखे आज इतनी अच्छी चीज बनाना? Because you tried. So empower people. Access is all about empowering people to do what they can do. What you do for others, they will never be able to do for themselves. And that is called controlling. You don't want them to flower. You don't want them to go ahead. You want to keep everybody in control. Let them go and learn from their experiences. Give them tools, give them questions.
But if I, like sometimes I do clearing, whenever he calls me, I do FaceTime, and then I do clearing like that. He said, Mama, what are you mumbling? Like that. Is it why you
if he is willing to receive it, you don't have to do any clearing. Clearing is coming from superiority. You know more. Coming from, I know what's going wrong with him. Clearing is coming from control. Where are you not taking away all his control from him and telling him he doesn't know anything? I know all. Listen to me. I will never know what you desire. Never. However many words you tell me, explain it to me, I will never get the energy. I may get the energy of it, what you desire, but then your words can never explain to me what you really desire. But what you really, that's why we say ask questions. If I give you a question, that might not be, मैं कितने क्वेश्चन बोलती हूँ यहाँ पे, और आप कितने क्वेश्चन किसी क्लासेस में सुनते हो और बुक्स में पढ़ते हो, वो सारे क्वेश्चन में आपको आहा फीलिंग आती है? नहीं ना. कोई उसमें होते हैं 2-4 जिसमें आपको आहा फीलिंग आती है, तो ये मेरे लिए है. And when you run that, it can change your life. And that same question may not work for me. That same question may not do wonders for me that it does for you. So we all have different energy. We all function from energy. So what is your energy? What is his energy? What would he like to create in his life? Empower him. When we have any situation, there is an energy that comes up. And when I ask, how does it get any, or whatever this is, I destroy and annihilate it all, it gets dissipated. And when that energy shows up, 1 minute, let me see. When this energy shows up, I'll come back to you. When this energy shows up, it shows up because it can be cleared. It shows up because you're asking for it. It shows up because It knows that that there must be some answer for you here when you clear this. It might be a blockage, it might be a limitation, it might be a point of view. So when any energy comes up, instead of knowing कि मेरा point of view है कि ये क्या है, ये वो है कि वो है, just clear it because it's contracted, because it's not making you light. There is something that needs to be cleared. Energy is functioning with you, in communion with you. It's letting you know, okay, clear this. If you want what you want, clear this. You want to get back to who you truly be. Clear this. And every time you clear it, you become who you truly be in at least that area. So wouldn't it be beautiful to empower your children to know that they can do that instead of you trying to do that? Everything that brought up everybody, would you be willing to destroy none, care it all, right, wrong, good, bad, POC, PUD, honor, short, boys and beyond? Yes, Usha, you were saying something.
Yeah, what about X-Men? I don't understand. What is an X-Men? I think in Gary's and Dane's, this one, there is something about X-Men. What is that?
Okay. So all the people that we call disabilities, ADHD, OCD, autism, all these disabilities that this reality has put on people who nowadays, children who are coming into the world, we in Access call them X-Men. Because if you go to the net and find out, read about X-Men, you will get the energy. There has been a movies also. I think there are 3 movies of X-Men also. I haven't seen them. I want to see them. Did you see Lucy? Any one of you here saw Lucy?
I saw.
Yes.
I am also sir.
Amazon Prime पे है. Subscribe करके कर लीजिए.
So those, did you see Avatar?
Yes, I saw that.
Yes.
So what if those are the X-Men? So we believe that you all are X-Men. X-Men are, I don't know what the definition Access gives, but it's you can do anything. You can go beyond where you are and you can do anything. ये समझ में आया है कि जो ऑटिज्म लोग बच्चे होते हैं वो ना हाथ नहीं लगाने देते आपसे, आप ऊंचा बोलते हो तो उनको अच्छा नहीं लगता, because the abilities that they have are so intense that if you say coffee to them, they download everything about coffee, where it originated, where everything in the world they can just about coffee, they can download and they can tell you that intense awareness they have. And when you touch them, their whole body tingles. It's like a shock. And they are so fast that when you talk, it sounds to them like, when I say it sounds to them like, it sounds to them. They are so functioning from speed of space that your talk to them sounds like you're dragging. That's why they get irritated with you people. How many times you people get irritated when somebody is so slow? How many?
Always, always.
Yeah, and how many times you say you have already had the conversation, the person is now coming to do with you, or when they start doing it, you already know कि वो क्या कहने वाले हैं, and you tell them मेरे को पता है, अच्छा ठीक है, बस मेरे को पता है. You are X-Men, guys. You have not recognized your capacities and abilities. So everywhere that you see that you function from there, that you already know what's going to happen, that you already done it. In classes, usually it happens. When you have a class, you already facilitated them. Nobody comes to your class. That's why Gary always says that please don't give a class before you start the class. So please start acknowledging where you are being that, where you are being the magnificent X-Men being that you are. Go to net and read about what do you call? Just write YouTube. Go to YouTube and write X-Men, Access Consciousness. There might be some videos that you might be able to see. Okay. And this class is for Shikha's waiting. This class is for aging. And we are talking about entities, and we are talking about X-Men, and we are talking about nobody. Yes, Shikha. Sorry, darling, didn't see you waiting outside. Hi, how are you?
मैम एक क्वेश्चन था.
Thank you, Usha, for the question. Please go and check on the net, on the YouTube.
Hello.
Yes, Mona.
हाँ जी. एक मेरा क्वेश्चन है कि जैसे हम लोग एक्सेस में बोलते हैं मनी कम, उसके बाद हम लोग बोलते हैं सिग्निफिकेंट मत करो किसी चीज को. तो
अच्छा, एक बच्चा खेल रहा होता है, आप उसको आके टॉय दे देते हो, वो उससे टॉय से खेल रहा है और वो इतना एंजॉय कर रहा है उसके साथ खेल के, तो इज ही मेकिंग इट सिग्निफिकेंट? If you keep saying something,
yes, sometimes yes.
If you keep saying something for the fun of it, how much fun can I have with money? And no thoughts beyond that, just money come. And you picture you're being showered with money, and money is coming from everywhere, circling you around, having fun. Are you making it significant? You're making it significant when you say, money आजा, मैंने वो लेना है, मैं ये नहीं ले पा रही, मेरे से होएगा नहीं, money आएगी तो मैंने लूंगी, मैं कैसे करूं money? That is when you're making it significant.
Okay.
When you're in the garden, watering your plants and looking at and enjoying your garden, and are you making it significant? When you're standing in one place, looking at one plant and saying, "तू बड़ा ही नहीं हो रहा, तू बड़ा ही नहीं हो रहा, तू इतने 4 महीने हो गए, तो वो कभी बड़ा नहीं होगा." That is when you're making it significant. You create a different energy, different chemical reaction in your body.
How to build up more awareness in our body if we want to go outside or want to be at home? How to ask that to build the awareness in our body?
I didn't get the question. Repeat it or say it somewhere, something in a different way. I did not get your question, Usha.
I mean to say, if we want to go outside of our house, and then how to build that awareness? Should I go outside at this time or not? How to build that awareness in our body?
You have to build your awareness. You are aware.
To ask the question.
You are aware. You are an aware being. You will immediately know. This is hot. I shouldn't pick it up. It's cold. I should take a sweater with me. It's going to rain, it seems. There's going to be, this road is not good. I should take another road. Has it ever happened to you? You're at the crossing and you suddenly wanted to go left, but your car turned right. And then you learned that वो तो उधर road बन रही थी, या उधर कोई accident था. How aware are you that you're not willing to be acknowledge that? And what if you acknowledged and asked a question? Okay, if I go out, would it be fun? Would it be, what contribution can going out today be for me? What awareness am I having that I am not willing to see, willing to have? Awareness you are. You don't want to go into that. You want to go into your head. You want to listen to what people say. We call it sight, sound, seeing. No. You just know it. Your eyes, without you knowing it, will close when there is some lot of dust coming towards it. That's your awareness. You don't tell your eyes to close. They just close. Your whole cell, each cell in your body is aware. It's like an intensity of awareness. Your whole body gives you awareness. Each cell. We say हमें दिखता सिर्फ आंख से है, हमें सुनता सिर्फ कान से है. No, the whole, each cell in your body hears. Each cell in your body sees. If you're willing to be aware, it's right there. How aware are you willing to be is the question. What would it be like to have a spherical awareness? You even know when you're walking, you even know there's somebody at the back who's looking at you, who's walking close to you. You don't have eyes at the back. Sorry, would you please mute yourself, Anuradha? Tell me, do you know when somebody is coming from the back or sides? Do you have eyes at the back? Why is everybody so quiet?
No, we know it, but we know it.
Yeah. So please acknowledge that. What more? How can I expand my awareness? How can I tap into my awareness? What would it take for me to be aware 24/7? Develop your senses of presence and awareness. And you would feel more, you would feel intensely everything around you. When you close your human sense, that we have been told, when you close your human senses down, you have this extraordinary sense, force. That's called your awareness. If you had this spherical awareness, if if you acknowledge your spherical awareness and not go into linear perception of sight, hearing, then you can go beyond what you know, beyond what you can see, beyond what you can hear. You are the space between the molecules, and each molecule has awareness, has an awareness of them as molecules. So how much aware you are that you're not willing to be?
Can I ask one question here?
Yes, please.
Each cell in our body has awareness, right?
Hmm.
So our being, what is the difference between the being and the cell?
Being is the spirit, what I get. Right or wrong, I don't know. Being is the spirit which chooses to be in the body. And when they function together in communion, communion is that which nature is. Communion is that which oneness is. We have always the awareness of that when you are in nature. How do you feel when you are in nature? What goes on in your body? Is there any judgment? Is there total ease? Are you totally relaxed?
Yeah.
So what if you brought that nature into you? Become the embodiment of all that nature is. And be willing to listen, hear, speak to the whispers of the universe. The plants, the animals, the house, the concrete, the chairs, the tables, the cars, the floor. Everybody is talking to you. I think in the last or somewhere else, I don't know, I said that please go around your house. Was it in a class or was it in book reading? I don't remember. I said that please go around in your house, talk to each piece, each furniture piece, each curtain, each fan, each light. Would you like to be with me? Or would you like to go? Each cloth, each dress, each piece of utensil in your, instead of hoarding all that which you're lying that you never use, ask them where they would like to go, how they will contribute to you. They will talk to you. They will speak to you. आपने ये एक्सप्रेशन तो सुना हुआ है ना कि दीवारों के भी कान होते हैं. You just don't listen. The plants have a language. The animals have a language.
So
it's the vibration. Yes, Anuradha. आप कुछ पूछने लगे थे अनुराधा?
नहीं सुन रही हूँ. नहीं, मेरी सर्वेंट आ गई शायद ना, इसलिए वो पूछ रही थी कुछ.
So did you get the answer?
Yeah. Awesome. So you mean to say जैसे मिली जुली सरकार, जैसे हमारे एक संत आते हैं तो हमेशा मैं इनको पूछती कि डिफरेंस क्या है करके, कि हेलो.
Yes, go ahead.
डिफरेंस क्या है कि हमारा जो शरीर है बराबर, उसके अंदर में सेल्स है जिसके माध्यम से, या प्राण है जिसके मन से शरीर चलता है, मगर आत्मा उसका सब करता है. तो ये जो प्राण है,
वो जो प्राण है वो आत्मा है, वो बीइंगनेस है, वो बीइंग है.
प्राण को ही आत्मा कह रहे? अच्छा,
वो निकल गया तो फिर तो बॉडी रह गई ना, without the communion, without the plant, without the energy, without the choice, without the infinite possibilities. Does a body have that? Body is in communion with you functioning. It's very intelligent. 9 functions are doing on its own. But वो अगर वो प्राण नहीं है बीच में, तो क्या वो 9 functions जो अभी इतने efficiently चल रहे हैं, lungs, your kidneys, your muscular system, your heart functioning, your brain functioning, your reproductory system, all that would function without the pran, without the being, without the soul, without the spirit. आप उसको कुछ भी नाम दे दे, नाम में क्या रखा है?
पर कहते हैं ना कि भाई प्राण निकल जाने के बाद भी आप तो हो ही, मतलब आप प्राण से भी डिफरेंट हो।
ये कौन कहता है? आपको क्या पता है? प्लीज हम सुनना बंद करें लोगों को। Access is all about you. It's all about empowering you. It's all about what you get. What you get, nobody else in the world can get. What's true for you may not be true for anybody on the planet Earth. Are you willing to choose that? Has your life worked by listening to people? वो लोग के ये कहते हैं, वो ये कहते हैं, ऐसे करो वैसे करो। अगर तो चल रहा है वैसे तो करो। वो नहीं चल रहा, इसीलिए आप एक्सेस में हो। वो चल रहा होता तो आप थोड़ी आते एक्सेस में। और अब एक्सेस में आके अब वहां रहना, ये 2 बोट में पैर रखने वाली बात है। डूबोगे, पूरे तरीके से डूबोगे। एक पेरिस बोट में है, एक पेरिस बोट में है, तो आप आगे जा ही नहीं सकते। बोट भी नहीं चलेगी, आप भी नहीं चलेंगे, और ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या होगा, आप गिरोगे बीच में पानी के। क्या आप वैसे रहना चाहते हो? कह रहे हो कि जो कुछ भी मैंने आज तक सुना है, I destroy and uncreate it all. I want to create my reality starting now, from the choice and from the infinite possibilities. And everything today is a question for me, no answer. Be you and change the world. Not be you and suffer the world. Truth is, you are the sword. Choice is your creation. And when you be you, it's the destruction of all limitations that you have. You are the gift to you. And once you recognize that you are a gift to you, you are a gift to everybody around you. You are a gift on this planet. And what with you knowing you can change, nobody else is empowered to change. Access is all about empowering you. All about empowering you. All about recognizing that you are the creator of your life. And you can walk with the whole universe, or you can do it alone. So as you be, you shall receive. That's a different reality altogether. Are you willing to choose it? Are you willing to have it? Oh guys, it's 9:15. Any burning question before we say bye-bye?
No, I have a question. This is Angela here. My apologies for not being on video. So no question. However, this is a gratitude for you. What a way to start, the day with such a motivation and beautiful questions. Would really, really, really like to thank you for this, for creating this space.
Thank you.
Hello.
Thank you.
Hello, Kamalji.
Yes, Indra.
Hello.
Go ahead. Yes, darling, go ahead.
Why do we ask for forgiveness?
We can't hear you.
Why do we ask to forget and forgive us?
Anybody heard what she said?
No.
Can you write the question, Indra?
Yes. Like my.
Before Indra writes the question, anybody wants to ask her another question?
Yes.
Go
I
ahead.
ask a question.
Go ahead, Shikha.
कई बार क्या होता है मैम, ऐसा लगता है हम चल रहे हैं, पीछे कोई है, शेडो होती है, डोंट नो क्या है।
आप बताओ
कई
क्या
बार
क्या है?
कि हम बैठे हैं, आवाज दे रहा है हमें, तो आई
आप
डोंट नो
क्या,
क्या है।
आपको क्या लगता है क्या है?
आई डोंट नो।
Oh, in Access, we are not allowed to say, I don't know. You are an infinite being, you know it all. Acha, why do we ask forget and forgiveness? Okay. Tell me, why do we ask forget and forgiveness?
कई बार क्या होता है, वो कुछ कहना चाहते हैं, मैं नहीं समझ पाती।
तो अगर आप पूछोगे कि क्या कहना चाहते हो, आई एम विलिंग टू अंडरस्टैंड इट। आपने कभी कोशिश करी?
नहीं।
आप करेंगे अभी?
हाँ,
Can you
कई
can you
बार
try?
की आवाज।
Sorry.
कई बार ऐसा लगता है कोई हंस रहा है, कोई कुछ।
Whatever. Will you try to do that, please? Will you ask who is it? What do you want from me? And you can write it in the group, or you can write it. Talk to us next Sunday. Will you please try whenever you feel like that? Would you please ask कौन है? क्या कहना चाह रहे हो मुझे? ये कहाँ से आवाज आ रही है? Will you please do it for us, Shikha? Wouldn't you want to know? कोई चीज सामने होती तो आप जानना, ये नहीं जानना चाहते कि ये क्यों है, कैसे है, क्या है?
हाँ, जानना चाहती हूँ।
तो फिर पूछ लो भाई, क्या हो, कौन हो, क्या आवाज आएगी अंदर से? मैं कुछ आपके लिए कर सकती हूँ, आप मेरे लिए कुछ कर सकते हो, कौन हो? Lower your barriers and be present. You are the dominant energy in your life. Nobody has the power to take that away from you. You give it power with your points of view. Sorry?
मुझे कुछ हैवी सा फील हुआ।
डर है क्या जो आपने इस दुनिया से बाय किया हुआ है? Would an infinite being be scared of anything? We'll get back to you next or when you write it in the group. And Indra was asking a question. Why do we ask forget and forgiveness? Gary says that all this is metaphysical shit about forgiveness and about compassion, about all for the purpose of eliminating your capacities to have your reality. It wants to hold you from having your reality. You have never done anything wrong. There was no right, there's no wrong. Who decides what's right, what's wrong? Who are you going to ask forgiveness? I think if you really have to ask forgiveness for anybody, it's you. You're the one who is abusing you all the time. But there is nothing to forgive nobody. There is no right, there is no wrong, there is no good, there is no bad. This is all metaphysical shit that is imposed on us, so that we need to have need people's validations. So everywhere you bought the lie, would you be willing to destroy and get it all?
Yeah.
So when you give, when you're supposed to, when you're told to give forgiveness to somebody else, does it, I was told that if you forgive somebody, you get peace. You discover a sense of peace within. It did not. It did not give me peace. But some people, they might have think, because I think your point of view creates your reality, and if you think ये forgiveness दे देंगे तो शायद free हो जाएंगे. But I'm willing what they are choosing and what I chose. Recognize what I chose and recognize what they are choosing. Then I don't have to give them the power to control me. Then I don't have to become the effect of what they say. ये रियलिटी बोलती है आपने ये गिल्ट किया, ये भी झूठ है. इट्स अ डिस्ट्रैक्टर इम्प्लांट. मैंने किया ही नहीं, मैं कुछ करती ही नहीं, ना मैंने गलत किया, ना मैंने ठीक किया, ना मैंने रॉन्ग किया, ना मैंने राइट किया. मैं तो करती हूँ जो करती हूँ. अब आपने उस चीज को कैसे लेके हर्ट कर लिया अपने आप को, मेरी कोई इंटेंशन नहीं थी. Your point of view, according to your point of view, you hurt yourself. Now that's not my responsibility. I'm not taking that responsibility. I'm not the cause of it. Your thinking is the cause of it. And I don't have to be effect of it. Am I making any sense?
Yes, Kaval.
Yes.
Because it's very relevant. जो आपको बड़ा अच्छा लगता है, जो आपका, जिसके साथ आपका तालमेल बना हुआ है, उसको तो आप सब कुछ ही forgive कर दोगे. वो जो कुछ भी कर देगा. Since you see only them, you only see their beauty, you don't even see your beauty. You are diminishing yourself, you are abusing yourself, you are invalidating yourself. वो जो करेंगे वो हाँ वो तो है ही अच्छा, वो तो मेरी माँ है, जब वो तो मेरी बहन है, जब वो हम we get blinded to what the reality is. वो अब जो भी करेंगे आपको नचाएंगे उंगली से, नाराज होके बैठ जाएंगे, आपको बात नहीं करेंगे और आपको गिल्टी फील कराएंगे और आप उनके आसपास हुवर करते रहेंगे. Because you don't see the beauty of you. You are always making them superior than you. What if you were the most beautiful you see yourself as? I am the most beautiful person on planet Earth. Not from pride, not from showing somebody down, but recognizing the beauty that you are. Recognizing the creation that you are. When you're finding faults with yourself, you're finding faults with whoever joined together to create you. So forgiveness and forgive and asking for forgiveness is all this shit of this reality. It's a lie that we perpetrate on ourselves. Again and again and again and again. Everything that brought up, would you be willing to destroy and get it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, cock, pod, all nice, short, boys and beyonds.
Lovely, Kaval. Thank you.
Indra, did you get your answer? Thank you, Renu.
Yes.
Love you all.
Love you. Thank you.
1.5 hours.
Have a nice day.
Love you too, Kamal.
Have a nice week. Love you guys.